Alright, we have a Craftsman Professional 30-inch snowblower. It has a 357cc motor. It's a beast. I'm going to show you how it works. We have about, it looks like about a foot of snow here, maybe 13 inches. And my daughter, who's 13 years old, 14, is going to be plowing to show you how easy it is. Don't push down on it, just let it go. There you go. Gets right close to the pavement. It's a beast, man. It's a beast. We got ice in there. We got snow. We got wet snow in there. There you go. Now you see that beast, how it works. Craftsman, 30-inch, 357cc motor. It's a beast.